Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to find the hidden photos on a phone. So guys, first thing I'll show you is going to hide your photos. So just simply go to your photos application, and when you select a specific picture, you should have an option to hide it. And now, once you hide a photo guys, the question is how to find the hidden photos. So to do that, select the X icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And guys, after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down and just simply go for the Utilities tab. So go ahead and select Utilities over here and it will expand and you will have other categories that you might want to consider. And from here, you should be able to see hidden. So go tap on hidden over here and you have to use the face ID or provide your passcode over here. So select a view album and now once you have viewed the album guys, you should be able to see the hidden pictures and pretty much over here you should be able to select a specific photo, select the three dots on the top right corner, and you should be able to unhide it. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.